Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases out of the small cap world at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investment. It's Friday, July the 11th, a bit of a slow news cycle day from public companies. As you can imagine, it's a Friday, but big news in the market. So first, I've got one press release, one stock haul for you, but then let's get into gold and oil and the markets and what's happening there. On the press release front, we're talking about Zinccorp, trades on the TSX Venture Exchange under the stock symbol ZN. Now, what I like about this, it just started trading yesterday, July the 10th. They put out news on July the 9th. Couldn't talk about it back then because they weren't trading. Now we got the news, and here it goes. They're announcing a major zinc-lead silver discovery. This is a very promising discovery on their wholly owned Michelle property, which is located in central Yukon. The highlight result from this discovery, listen to this drill interval, it averaged more than 40% combined lead zinc, 510 grams per ton of silver, over 7.94 meters of true thickness. That's a highlight interval. They've also, the complete diamond drilling program consisted of 7 holes. The most significant assay intervals came out of hole 0704, 0706. Go take a look at those in the press release for the details, but obviously doing great things there. The company, furthermore, is planning to start a 2,500-meter diamond drill program within 2 weeks. They're going to use funds they've already got on hand, plus funds from a private placement of about $1 million that they've announced. About Zinccorp, something you should know because they are brand new and the information might be a little scarce. They're a member of the Hughes Exploration Group of companies, which is a very significant group of companies, great credibility. We actually represent some of their companies as well, but this is a great organization that really knows its stuff. Zinccorp is a newly formed, tightly held junior middle exploration company. The company is focused on the discovery of large zinc-rich deposits. And again, they trade on the Venture Exchange under the stock symbol ZN. Congratulations to the guys over there. Best of luck with Zinccorp. On the stock halt side, we've got Pacific Asia China Energy. Big long name there. Pacific Asia China Energy trades on the venture under PCE. They were halted this morning at 9:24. Pending news. Go take a look at that. You never know what that halt might be about. Now, the big news, let's get to this for the day, is definitely coming out of the markets. We've got oil up $5 to about $147. That's record territory. Gold is up about $22 today to $964. Big move, big climb, and especially when you consider it's made a really significant move over the last couple of weeks. What's the big news? Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae running into significant liquidity problems over there. Why? The companies own or guarantee about $5 trillion of debt. When you consider the fact that foreclosures are up 53% over 2007, you start to get the picture as to what's going on over there. There are rumors going around about possible bankruptcy, the government stepping in to guarantee, and maybe even a possible conservatorship. If the government has to guarantee if there's a conservatorship or something like that, you're talking about covering $5 trillion in potential debt. That more than doubles the current outstanding U.S. debt right now. So obviously that's not something that the markets want to see. A bailout would be enormous, but that's going to put pressure on the U.S. dollars. You can imagine where they're going to find it. They have to print money. If they got to print money, lower U.S. dollar, higher gold. Lower U.S. dollar means more affordable oil, which means developing nations are going to continue buying oil because they can afford it. It's priced in U.S. dollars. So this is big news that's just developing. Keep a watch for this throughout the weekend. And if you want great updates, don't forget about my blog that you can find on the front page of agoracom.com, where I personally follow 100 of the best writers out there, condense it all into summary information for you because I know you don't have the time to get it done. So come by the AGORACOM blog to read everything about this development and what's going on. As well, if you're looking for more great small cap companies, don't forget about the AGORACOM marketplace. Close to 90 companies listed by industry and exchange, so you can find the one best suited for your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a great day. Have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.